Join us as we discuss the travel restrictions updates you need to know if you are traveling to the United States or Canada. Hello and welcome back to your travel buddy. Summer is here, and the international and domestic travel volume is expected to be very high this year. It's no secret that the world was at a standstill during the pandemic years. Now that we are over that hump, people are getting out and taking those trips they had to put on hold. So let's discuss some of the travel restrictions to and from the United States and Canada. We will begin with the United States. As of May 11, 2023, there is no longer an international travel vaccine mandate. This applies to both permanent U.S. residents and non-U.S. residents. Also, age-eligible travelers visiting the United States internationally no longer need to be fully vaccinated to enter the country, regardless of their reason for visiting. Now let's talk about some travel restrictions updates for Canada. There are no longer any restrictions for international travelers who are traveling from the United States to Canada, or vice versa. This includes all methods of travel such as by car or airplane. If you are a Canadian citizen, you do not need to show proof of a COVID-19 vaccine to enter the United States. Now that the pandemic is over, we've gone back to the pre-pandemic requirements. Stay tuned for more travel restrictions updates to different destinations in the world. We hope this video was helpful. Give us a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and inspiration. Let us know in the comments where you are traveling to this summer. Wherever your plans take you, we hope you and your family stay safe. As always, happy travels!